Hi everyone, it's Robert here again from Aussie Gold Dog. Been hanging to get my hands on this jigsaw for the last week or so. Coffs Harbour and Grafton Bunnings were out, so we had to wait. The wife picked it up this morning. That's it there. Ozito Jigsaw. Got your 4 pendulum cutting settings, LED work lights, tool-free blade change, which is pretty cool. Don't have to carry a spanner or go looking for a spanner. Nice comfortable grip by the looks of it. 45-degree bevel. And durable alloy base plate, which is pretty well what everything has, I suppose. There's some of the info on there. What's on the side of the box? Just the Ozito again. The other end is, yeah, just showing you nice packaging. That's something that's getting everyone happy, is the 5-year warranty. Alright, so let's open it up, which I'm going to need a knife by the looks of it. I haven't got one, so I'll get a screwdriver. I'll get rid of that. Pull him out. Screwdriver over there. Let's see what we've got in here. Oh, something's loose there. Righto, we've got the instructions by the looks of it. Instructions. Got a safety guide, or Watsy guide. Oh, there's the instructions there. What's this? This is just all the oh, this is just the catalogue sort of thing. And, oh, dropping things all over the place. It's like the vacuum nozzle or whatever. Over there. Something else in the box. What do we got here? Got the blade and the covers. Safety covers by the looks of it. Alright, box is empty. Let's get rid of the box. That's the machine. Take him out of the bag, get rid of the bag, and there we go. Now that is one nice looking machine. Right. There's your pendulum gizmo. I don't know. That feels pretty good actually. I got arthritis and yeah, that feels alright. It's not light. They reckon these are the cheap end of the market. I've never found them to be like that. I've never had any problems. Usually great machines. Yeah, what's all the info on here? Right there we got the voltage, 18 volts. No load speed, 0 to 2,400. Stroke depth, 25.4 millimeters. Bevel, 45. Blade fitment, T-shank. Cutting capacity is timber, 80 millimeter, mild steel, 10 millimeter, plastic, 12 millimeter, and the weight, it's about 1.85. That's, I'd say, without the battery. The battery will probably be a little bit more. Comes in what's in the box. Yeah, just a quick look, and you know, to me, that looks and feels like just a great little unit. What I'll do is I'll set it up in a little while and we'll go over and cut some metal with it. Righto, I'll catch us later.